Welcome to 5304 Sunnydale Circle North, Sarasota, Florida. We are now walking into the master bedroom. Ample closet space, additional storage, your first set of sliders leading out to your enclosed pool. Your master suite, dual vanity sinks, private toilet room, linen closet, tub, and walk-in shower. Double entryway, formal dining room, living room with second set of sliders out to your pool. Washer and dryer, slop sink, and the door to your 2-car garage. Family room with built-in storage. Off of your open concept kitchen. Second bedroom. Ample closet space. Hallway to your second bathroom with access to the pool. Third bedroom. All-white kitchen, garbage disposal, desk space, pantry, walking out to your enclosed lanai, fenced-in backyard, call us today for a private tour. Thank you.